What's happening, guys? Welcome to RGHtechTv. This is Motorola One Power, which has been recently launched here in India. It's exclusively available on Flipkart as on date for 16,000 rupees. I'll leave the buying links in the description box below. You can definitely check them out. Now, importantly, guys, like Me 2 and Nokia 6.1 Plus, it's an Android One device. That is, the hardware is actually made by Motorola, and the software is provided by Google. So you can expect faster updates, latest security patches, and overall smoother experience. Now guys, over that, this comes with Snapdragon 636 processor, which is a 14 nanometer processor with custom cryo cores. We have seen it on Asus Max Pro M1, Redmi Note 5 Pro, Nokia 6.1 Plus. It's a pretty capable processor. Now in this video, guys, let's quickly unbox it. Let's have a look at camera samples. Let's also listen to sound quality. So let's take this top lid off. So this is the phone, and it comes with pre-applied TPU case, which is a pretty good thing. And the case quality actually is pretty good, guys, as you can notice. So let's remove this one. Let's keep it aside. Another important thing about Motorola One Power is its battery capacity. It has a massive battery, guys, 5000 mAh battery plus a turbocharger included in the box. We'll quickly see the ratings of that as well. Now this actually comes with a dual camera setup, 16 megapixel and 5 megapixel dual camera setup, and on the front side we have a 12 megapixel camera with 2.2 aperture. Below that we have 6.2 inch Full HD Plus display with that 19:9 aspect ratio. Definitely it has that notch, and Motorola likes to call it Max Vision display. Let's quickly turn this on, and while it boots up, let's see the physical overview. So on the top side we have 3.5 mm headphone jack, secondary mic for noise cancellation. On the right side we have a power button and volume rockers. On the bottom side we have a Type-C port and speaker grill, and a SIM tray on the left side. Let's quickly see if we get a dedicated SD card slot. So yes, definitely we do have slots for SIM cards and also micro SD card. Let's put this back. And one more thing which I'm noticing is the Moto logo itself doubles up as fingerprint sensor as well. So guys, let's keep this aside for the time being, and let's see what else comes in the box. In the box we get user manual, a warranty card. Let's keep it aside. We get a SIM ejector pin. We have a normal USB to a Type-C cable. So let's keep this aside as well. And this is the turbocharger, guys, which I was actually speaking about. Let's quickly see the rating. Let me just focus this one. So guys, it has an output of 5 volt at 3 amps, 9 volt at 2 amps, and 12 volt at 1.5 amps. So let's keep all these things aside and let's have a look at the device itself. Alright guys, I have set up the device. Now before we look into camera samples and sound quality, let's check the fingerprint sensor performance and also some device specific details. Now guys, as mentioned earlier, the fingerprint sensor is located in the Moto logo itself. That's pretty good thing. Now quickly checking the fingerprint sensor performance, you can notice that it does have half a second of delay, or you can call it even a second of delay. Definitely not acceptable. I wish the software team fixes this one as soon as possible. And one more disappointing thing, guys, this phone does not have face unlock. If I have to exactly show you, let's go to security and location. If you go to smart lock, then there isn't any sort of face recognition system here. So definitely this is again one more thing which I believe Motorola should add. And this phone actually comes with 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of inbuilt storage, guys. And out of that 64 gigs, like 52.81 GB is free out of the box. I haven't installed any applications yet. And if we go to system and about phone, then it runs on Android 8.1.0 and has a security patch of 1st August. Pretty good thing. And one more thing, guys, this phone has Moto Actions and Moto Display. So Moto Display is one when you'll get to know about notifications and time on the off screen itself. That's a pretty good thing. And you also have Moto Actions. So you do have double karate chop for the torch and twist your wrist to open the camera applications. Let's quickly check that one, as you can notice. And one more thing, guys, you do have this dual tone LED flash. So this should give you good colors even in ultra low light situations. And you can twist your wrist to open the camera application, twist it again to shift to front facing camera. And guys, now quickly looking at the display, let me remove this sticker which is applied on the front side. Sorry guys, I actually forgot to remove this one. Let's increase the brightness. So the display generally looks good, guys, has good viewing angles, as you can notice. And if you go to white background, you can see that Whites look sort of pure white. So definitely let's check the brightness, how dim it gets. Decently good, guys, not bad. So display definitely is decently good. Now guys, quickly let's have a look at camera samples. Alright guys, now looking at some rare camera samples, autofocusing was fast and accurate, and it also produced crisp bokeh effect in normal mode. Images were sharp with good details, as you can notice, and exposure handling was also pretty good in normal mode. Color accuracy was a hit or a miss. Sometimes it gave accurate colors and sometimes it didn't. And images were slightly darker as well. Low light pictures were decent, but when zoomed in, you could notice noise. HDR pictures came out to be good, highlighting shadows and details. In terms of portrait pictures, edge detection was not 100% accurate, but it gets the job done. Normal selfies were sharp and colors were accurate, but they could have been slightly brighter. In terms of front-facing portrait mode, exposure handling was not good, and again edge detection was not perfect, and definitely needs some improvement in this department.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you do just what you're told. I'll be your heart to shine, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own.
So that's it guys. If you feel this video was informative, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family. Follow us on Twitter at RGHtechTv, subscribe to us on YouTube. Most importantly, thanks for watching, and I'll see you real soon.